So let's start. Today we are going to find out how to get leads online for free for your business, for your courses, for everything that you want to sell online. You are going to find out today how you can get leads for free. Here I'm going to take you through some marvelous nuances that is going to change your online business forever. Another thing that is very important, you're not only going to learn how you can get leads online for free. You're going to learn how you can get leads on automation. This is a very powerful video and I expect you to watch the video till the end and take actions to get leads online, and that too through automation. So now let's start. Hey friends, welcome to Funnel Auto, and today we are going to show you how you can create this lead magnet funnel where you can generate unlimited leads for free. First of all, you need to understand getting leads online is very easy. It's really easy. We just always make it complicated and always stay in this rut where we are like unaware of getting leads online. The issue is not getting leads online. The problem is that you want to make the sale in your first attempt. You want to get the sale in your first contact with the client. That is the problem. So to understand this, you need to use the power of funnels. And if you don't know what a sales funnel, I'm going to tell you. So a funnel is something where a customer goes through a set of processes, set of steps that allows them to become aware of your product or service and ultimately buy it after certain contact points. Let me give you an example. You're going through a road and on the way you saw a big board of McDonald's, and it creates a craving in you because the board has a burger photo on it, and now you are getting this craving of eating a burger. You find a McDonald's nearby which is almost 1 kilometer away from it, and you get into the shop, you order a burger, and now they ask you do you want french fries or cold drinks? This is what a funnel is. First they show you the board and it creates an awareness in your mind, it creates a craving in your mind. You go into their shop and you order something, they give you an upsell, they offer you more value, and in return you are going to pay them more price, so increasing the lifetime value of customer, here being you. This is what a funnel is all about. I'm telling you it in a very simplified way right now, but there's much more, and I'm going to make a full video on sales funnel in later video. Right now, this is what you need to know. Now, to make the things amazing, what we need is a lead magnet funnel. What is a lead magnet funnel? Just like how McDonald's is getting their customer by showing them boards or advertisements in their social media, you are going to get leads by showing your lead magnet to the customers that you want to target, to the dream customer or target audience that you want to sell your products to. Before we go forward, let me simplify the meaning of lead also as well. Lead is something where you get the data of customers so that you can contact him to sell your product or services or to serve him in any way. Usually it is email or phone number or both along with their name. Now comes the picture of lead magnet funnel. What is a lead magnet funnel? A lead magnet funnel is a set of landing page and a thank you page. Usually it is just like this. What happens is in the landing page, you offer them what they want to have. Usually in your target niche, they are going to have some desires and they want solution to a problem that you are going to solve. But in a very simplified way, you are going to solve a mini problem that they have that goes towards solving the major problem that they have. And this solution to the mini problem, you are going to offer them as a lead magnet. This can be ebook, this can be a one pager, this can be a video specially made for them, and you are going to offer them this as a lead magnet. And when you put it into a page and you offer them, this creates a very high perceived value for it because you are going to show them the information that is relevant along with it to actually make them get that lead magnet. Why getting that lead magnet is important for them? You're going to show them through the landing page. And what's more important is in return of lead magnet, they are going to offer you their data, which is email and phone number. Now understand this, we are not doing anything wrong over here because that's how businesses run. That's how we can serve them in the future, and That's why a lead magnet funnel plays this role. Once they click on the get the lead magnet or whatever CTA you have put over there, call to action button you put over there, they will be asked to enter their email and phone number or name, whatever you are asking over there. Now when they enter their details, they are given that lead magnet either through mail or directly, and along with that they are shown a thank you page. That's what a lead magnet funnel is in short. Now I'm going to show you how you can create a lead magnet for free in just 10 minutes through the software I'm going to use over here. So let's do it. This lead magnet funnel is so simple. You just click on get it now, or your customer will click on it and they will enter their email, they will enter their first name, and they will click on yes, send me now. Once they click on it, they will be taken to this page, which is a thank you page. Over here they are going to be informed that the product has been sent to their inbox, or they can download it from here as well. Along with it, they can know about you more from here, and you can even add a call to action to a WhatsApp group or Facebook group that you want to do, or even your blog, just like how I did over here. So this is a lead magnet which I have actually put on my blog. You can put it on your YouTube, in whatever social media platform you use, you can promote it there, anywhere you want. But instead of promoting what you are going to sell directly to the customers, you are going to offer them this as a lead magnet by giving them for free. So you can promote it on your YouTube, you can promote it on your blog, you can promote it on any social media, whatever you are using, wherever you are active, where you have the most followers, wherever the people are watching you. Now I'm going to show you how you can create this lead magnet just in 10 minutes. So to create your lead magnet funnel for free, what you have to do is use this Systeme marketing platform, which is an all-in-one marketing platform. Over here you can do a lot of things. I'm going to show you just now what you can do over here. If you just scroll over here, you can see what you can do. You can create sales funnel, you can send marketing emails, you can build websites, you can manage your affiliates if you start an affiliate program, you can create online courses, you can automate your marketing, which we are going to share you in the future as well. We are going to make more videos on this, and you can do a lot of things like webinars and everything. You can see over here you are saving a lot of money, and I'm telling you all of these things are free. Okay, in some things there are prices, but most of the things, whatever you need to grow your business, are absolutely free on this platform. So along with this, you can upgrade later. Right now I'm going to show you how you can use this platform to build your lead magnet funnel for free. So let's go to the part. What you have to do is click the link in the description, the template, Systeme template, which will create the same lead magnet funnel which I have created for myself. So once you create the link in the description, it will create a Systeme account and it will import this lead magnet funnel into your Systeme account, and you can then add it. I'm going to show you how you can do that. So what you have to do is click the link in the description and it will open this page. Over here you have to enter your email. Let me enter my email. So once you have entered the email, you have to click here, and now it is telling you to confirm your email address by clicking on the link we have just emailed to you. So to confirm the email, you have to go to your email wherever it is. If it is Gmail, most probably you are using a Gmail only. You go to your email and find this email. Over here you click on this confirmation link. Once you do that, it will open this. It will tell you to create a password to confirm your account. Now you are going to enter your password. Over here I'm going to write the password. Observe carefully, it is telling you to the password should not be short. It should have at least 8 characters or more, and password should contain at least one alphabetic symbol. Okay, so I'm going to do it as it is saying. I'm going to use a symbol, I'm going to use a number, and that's all what we are going to do. And I'm going to click on this I'm not a robot, and I'm clicking on save now. Let's see if it works. Okay, that's done. Now as we use the template, you can see I still haven't got the template. So I'm going to do it again. So if somehow your funnel is not imported yet, what you are going to do, once you are logged into your Systeme account, you are going to click on the link again, or you're going to enter the link in the browser again. and you click on this, what happens is it gets imported into your account. You can see over here funnel added to your account. That's how you're going to import it. I'm going to show you how does it look like on the URL that they are offering. Right now it is not loaded. I'm going to save as well. You're going to see over here it's save funnel step. Just once you do it, you click on view funnel, and now you are going to see the funnel is in your account. Okay, now what you have to do is edit this out as we want. So I'm not going to too much addition over here, but I'm going to show you how you can do that. So you come over here to the edit page and you click on this and it will open this. So I just right click on this, open a new tab, and that's why we are here. And now you can see we can edit this stuff. It is very easy to upload images over here. You can see I click on this. Now I can upload a different image, my different logo. Your logo will be uploaded here, and you can upload the lead magnet photo that you are offering. You can change the email ID by going over here and changing the text from here by clicking on it. And there are more things. You can click on get it now and change their settings. So what it does, when you click on get it now, it shows up pop-up where you can enter the email. If you want to make changes to it, what pop-up it is showing, pop-up and pop-up number 2. So you can change the pop-ups from here. You can click on the pop-ups and you can see this is the pop-up that we want to edit. I click on this and now I can edit this as well. So that's how you can edit all the details over here. And if you go down, you can see that this is another button which is going to open the same pop-up. So that all the things over here you can edit as per your business. You can change this image, you can enter your text and everything, and it's very simple. You just need to create the lead magnet for yourself. So we are going to show you how you can create a lead magnet for your business if you haven't got one now. But for right now, this is how you can create a lead magnet funnel. And the another page that we have to edit is the thank you page. So just like that, I go to the thank you page and I click on the edit page. So I can edit this stuff out. You can see over here. Okay, this is the one thank you page. So over here I can change. The one thing which is very important to change is the download. You can change the link over here, what you are offering, you can put it over here. And we are going to show you how you can send the mails to them as well, because this is an all-in-one marketing platform and we are going to do it in automation. So they are going to be sent mails. So how you can do that? You come to your account and you're going to add automation rules over here, and you need to add this on the lead magnet. So you come to the automation page and automation rules in the lead page. You click on add rules. Once you come over there, you have to click this funnel step from subscribed. You click this, what it tells you, now you can add rules related to the same. So occurs when a contact has just subscribed to a form. What you have to do when it happens? Add action. Especially what you are going to do is send an email, and in the email what they are going to get is an email that you are going to write right now. So what you are going to write, hi, so what you are going to write is welcome to whatever your business is. I'm writing welcome to Funnel Soto, and you are going to write the mail over here, and in that mail you are going to add the lead magnet link. So that's what you are going to write, and at the end you are write the regards and everything. And over here you are going to write the sender email address. And you need to understand, you need to write enter the email address from which you want to send them mails. That's what a sender email address. Right now we haven't connected the email address with it, but we are going to write whatever email we want. For me, this is admin at Funnel Soto. It can be different for you. And if you go over there, above here, you can write the sender name. So I'm going to write my name over here. And you can add attachment as well. Okay, so you can directly attach the lead magnet. I will suggest you to add the lead magnet funnel in a link most probably getting them over to your blog or someplace. For me, I have uploaded it on the drive, so that's over there, or you can share it in the attachment itself. Anything you like, you can save it. And now what happens is, when they subscribe to the form, they will be sent a mail. Along with it, you can add more action. You can subscribe them to a campaign, add a tag. More on this in the upcoming videos, but right now this is what they can have. One more thing is, once they are added, subscribed to a campaign, you can send them newsletter in the future, and you can send them. Campaign is some like a set of emails which they are going to receive in the next 7 days or 14 days. So you can create a campaign and add those emails over there. You can do it over here in the emails, newsletters, campaigns, and statistics. So you can do this stuff over here, and anyone who is going to enter their details, you can find those details over here in the contacts. So this is a very good platform. I'm going to make a complete tutorial on it and some mini tutorials on it in the upcoming videos. Do subscribe to the channel if you are going to use it, and if you think it is going to help you create your business. Now you are done with your funnel. It is ready to go, and that's how you can grow your business online. So I'm so happy that you have created your lead magnet funnel in just few steps. Now I'm also offering you Telegram support for free. You can join the Telegram group. The link is in the description as well. So if you enjoy the video and get some value out of it, do like the video and comment on it. What is the best takeaway from this video that you learned today? And also make sure that you subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos, because I'm going to give you so much value in upcoming days that you are going to make an online business easily. And if you are having an online business, you can grow it at a marvelous rate. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.